Now, when our denominators are polynomials, terms with a variable in it, and we still got to find the least common denominator, I don't know what this looks like. I don't know what this means. So let's go through our process and let's kind of see where it takes us. So I look at my first denominator and I factor that down completely. This is an x plus a 1. So its factors are just 1 times x plus 1. Basically, it's just an x plus a 1. I factor my second term. Likewise, it's a 1 times an x minus 1. So that's how I factor. Second thing I'm going to do is list. So first of all, I list all the factors in the first term. 1 times an x plus a 1. Remember that x plus 1 is essentially one complete term. That's why the parentheses around it. Now I will look at all the factors in the second term that I cannot find in my first listing. I see a 1, but I already have a 1. An x minus 1. There's no x minus 1 in this listing, so I'll put an x minus 1 as a factor that I need in my list. And from there, product. I'll take the product of that, of all those terms I have in my list. A 1 times an x plus a 1 times an x minus 1. I'll remove the 1 for simplicity's sake, and then plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. That is my lowest common denominator between those two terms.